Hello everyone. As you may well aware, MT displays offer printing and branding facilities for many years, together with our display products. We've been successfully printing for well-known brands, very large corporates. Today, I'd like to visit our printing facility together with you. I divide our printing facility into two parts: digital printing and serigraphical printing. Here with me, I've got one of our Mimaki machine which prints eco-solvent. From the same kind, we've got three machines. The maximum DPI is 1440 DPI. Ideal speed is 8 passes and it can go up to 12 passes. Each machine has got capacity of 56 square meter per hour. We can print up to 5 meter wide materials and it prints 4-color CMYK. With these machines, we can print various materials such as vinyl, adhesive foil, paper, backlit, even one-way vision. Here are some examples with our displays with printed material. Here, crown truss system with eco-solvent printed vinyl. And here, pop-up and smart roll banner. Pop-up, printed, foil, laminated on PVC material. And our patent protected smart roll banner, again printed with eco-solvent technique on our Mimaki machine, vinyl poster on a roller banner. Here is the lamination of printed foil on PVC material. We can offer all these for your customers as well. For UV printing, we have both roll-to-roll and flatbed printing machines. Both are brand new Mimaki machines. Roll-to-roll UV printing is ideal for fabric as well as backlit posters. It has capacity of 56 square meter per hour. It can print up to 1200 DPI. It prints 4 colors, CMYK plus white. Here are some examples of printed posters with roll-to-roll printing technique. This is our Golf Maxi textile frame. The fabric is printed on roll-to-roll machine. This is Star Maxi LED frame. Again, the fabric is printed with UV on roll-to-roll machine. Magneco is our magnetic LEDbox. The poster is backlit and printed with UV in roll-to-roll machine. Another option of UV printing is flatbed printing. This machine we have is brand new from Mimaki as well. The ideal printing materials for this machine is PVC foam, wood, acrylic, or aluminium composite panel, or similar rigid boards. It can print up to 50 mm thick boards. It has capacity of 25 square meter per hour. It prints up to 1200 DPI. This machine is also prints 4-color CMYK plus white. Here is a good example of display product printed on flatbed machine. The body of this counter display is printing on flatbed. are some example of headers printed on PVC foam. Chalkboard is also printed on flatbed machine. Also this one, this. This 50 mm thick wood board is also printed on flatbed machine. In order to add premium decorative effects to posters, we have lamination as well. Lamination printing is used to protect posters from general wear and tear and improve the longevity of posters. We have two lamination machines from Mimaki, which applies both cold and hot lamination. We can apply matte and gloss finishes. The machine width is 1500 millimeters. Finally, we have cutting machines to size your products, to size your posters. This is one of the cutting machines. This one is another cutting machine we have. We can cut materials like PVC foam, vinyl, or adhesive stickers up to 5 millimeter thick. Now let's head for 6-screen printing unit. We are at 6-screen printing unit. At this unit, we print both serigraphical and PET printing. PET printing is also known as tampon printing. Is a printing technique which transfers 2D images onto 3D objects. With the help of cliché, via silicone pad, an image is transferred onto the object. PET printing enables us to print on difficult surfaces. It is mostly used on different objects such as medical, toys, electronical, promotional, as well as our displays. The unique feature of PET printing is to print on different surfaces like flat, concave, convex, or even conical surfaces. I'll show you some examples of our printings for global brands. We can print on silver anodized or powder coated surfaces. Both smooth and textured surfaces, PET printing can be done. This is one of the examples we print with gold dye. In order to avoid scratches during transport, we also protect the printing with clear tape. Before you use the product, we advise you to take off the clear tape and use as nicely finished print. 6-screen is also known as serigraphic or screen printing. This is our tool preparation room. The mesh is used to transfer the dye with this printing technique. The name 6-screen comes from tradition. In the past, silk is used to make the mesh, but today the most common material for mesh is polyester. Here with this machine, we stretch and process the mesh, and then after some chemical processes, the artwork is transferred onto the mesh. This takes usually 3 days for tool to get ready for printing. We have two 6-screen printing machines. This one is manual, printed on small components like header, logo, or leaflet dispenser. This machine enables us to print small quantity jobs faster. There is no limit on number of colors with 6-screen printing. The unique advantage of screen printing is the life of color. The color does not fade and lasts much long for years with screen printing. This one is semi-automatic screen printing machine. It can print up to 1200 by 1700 millimeter sizes, and the capacity is daily 1000 pieces on average. I'd like to show you some examples of our printed products. These all printed on different materials. Another advantage of 6-screen printing, we can print on various materials like polystyrene, PET, steel, aluminum composite, PVC foam, wood, MDF, and even crystal material. I hope you find our video interesting. Look forward to receiving your orders with prints as well. Goodbye.